Hi there, I am Dimi.
And I'm Daniela, and we are the passionate filmmakers behind Perspectiva Films.
Our story began with a shared passion about traveling and storytelling. We believe that there's many unique stories in every destination that are waiting to be told.
At Perspectiva Films, we dive deep into the heart of each location. We focus on the people, we focus on the traditions, we focus on the hidden gems that make the destination truly unique. We're not just capturing the sights, we're capturing the heart and the essence of each location.
We specialize in creating cinematic and impactful storytelling to show on how people perceive the world we travel to.
Our mission with Perspectiva Films is to shift the way people usually travel, to shift the perspective. So we're trying to convert tourists into true travelers.
We don't just want to highlight the sights, we want them to truly go deep and explore the destination. Now, we're absolutely amazed by the transformation that Ethiopia is going through, the purely traditional to the very modern, and we want to be there to experience that.
We strive to dive deep into Ethiopia's rich culture and vibrant future that we know it has.
Every destination has something truly unique that doesn't exist anywhere in the world. We want to go from the bustling cities of Addis Ababa to the diverse landscapes of Tigray region and uncover these hidden gems that most people don't know about and makes Ethiopia truly unique. Now, we don't just want people to be ordinary tourists, to go from this place, to the hotel, to the destination, to the museum and go back to their countries.
We want to show people how to really travel. We just want the tourists to feel like home in Ethiopia and feel the heart and soul of Tigray's richness, the culture and the people.
We want them to truly have a unique experience that they can take back home, show it to their friends and family, and they can be the influencers themselves that will bring more people and more capital into the destination. The locals will also connect with the tourists, and there will be this internationalized environment that both will benefit from each other.
At Perspectiva Films, we aim to break stereotypes and showcase authentic stories.
Many people have these false misconceptions about Ethiopia, which we would like to break with this documentary. Especially Tigray is a region that is not well known to the rest of the world. They don't know more about it. They don't know about its coffee, its history, its food, the diverse cultures. It's a nation full of promises.
When we travel, we not only go to a destination, we really connect with the people, and we want other tourists to come to Ethiopia and really fall in love with it and change the perspective of how the world sees Ethiopia and make it a strong destination.
We want to make them feel through our storytelling the passion, the authenticity, the people of this amazing country. So by showcasing Tigray's unique identity, we want to inspire more people to come there and experience magic themselves.
So we truly believe that together we can create something great. Thank you so much for your time, and let's make something truly extraordinary together.
We're Perspectiva Films, and we're excited about capturing Ethiopia's evolving history. And I would like to leave you with our quote and our mission: changing perspectives, one story at a time. Thank you very much.